everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me getting ready to go to the pool to swim, of course, and to have brown skin, a little bit browner skin. I've been wanting to have a tan skin for such a long time, and I think this is the right time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Okay, fine.
Come on, keep going. That looked dangerous.
Yeah, no.
No. And he has a boat. That's what I always call it. Big boat. Doesn't take them from us and say, Mia, can I get them? Get this thing back. My goodness, Batman.